Hey there, web developers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the amazing world of logo animation using Canvas. From static to dynamic, we'll show you how to bring your logos to life. Logo animation is all about infusing movement and effects into your static logos. With Canvas, the possibilities are endless. From rotating and scaling to color changes and dynamic sequences, we'll cover it all. So, why animate your logos? Well, for starters, it enhances the overall website experience, making it more engaging and immersive. It also seamlessly integrates with your website design, becoming an integral part of your brand identity. Now, let's dive into some illustrative code examples. From rotating logos to animated text and particle animations, we'll show you how to bring your logos to life using Canvas. That's it for today, folks. Logo animation using Canvas is a powerful tool in modern web development. With these examples and a dash of creativity, you can take your web projects to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more web development tutorials and tips.
If you liked the video, endeavor to give it a thumbs up. Please, this could be a little way to encourage us. Also, endeavor to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I drop a new video.